In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Sendwave account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to contact the right place inside the app, what to say, and what to expect so your account can be closed securely and permanently. Start by opening your Sendwave app. Make sure you're connected to the internet and using the most recent version so everything looks familiar and works smoothly. Next, sign in to your account. Use your usual login method and pass any security checks the app requires. Once you're in, you'll land on the home page. From the home page, look for the question mark icon, which represents help or support. Depending on your device, it's typically in a corner of the screen. Tap that question mark icon to open the help options. In the help menu, choose the chat with us option. This connects you directly with Sendwave's support team inside the app. Using the in-app chat is the safest way to handle account issues because it keeps the conversation tied to your verified account. When the chat opens, clearly explain that you want to permanently delete or close your Sendwave account. Use plain language like, "I'd like to permanently delete my account," so there's no confusion. If you have any specific concerns, like privacy, no longer using the service, or wanting to close the account for good, mention them briefly. The agent will guide you from there. Follow the instructions they provide to confirm your request and verify your identity. For security, they may ask you to confirm details related to your account or recent activity. This step protects you from unauthorized closure requests. Only share information through the official in-app chat and avoid sending sensitive details anywhere else. After you've completed verification, wait for confirmation from Sendwave that your account has been deleted. This confirmation may arrive as a message in the chat and, in many cases, as an email as well. Keep an eye on your inbox and spam folder and save the confirmation for your records. Processing times can vary, so if you don't see an update right away, give it a little time and then check back in the chat if needed. Before you begin, it's a good idea to make sure there are no pending transfers and to note that deletion is permanent, which means you'll lose access to your Sendwave account and its history. If you change your mind during the process, let the agent know immediately. Once you receive the final confirmation, you're all set. Your Sendwave account has been successfully deleted.